Injectable fillers are used to great effect to rejuvenate a patient's face, adding youthful volume and helping to soften the wrinkles. But restoring the shape and texture of youth can't compromise the way the face moves. Facial expressions are not only a way to convey emotions, but also can signify aging as well. In order to be truly successful, facial rejuvenation techniques and procedures need to restore both the fullness and to maintain that expressiveness that we all have. To test how a popular non-invasive injectable filler affects facial dynamics, the authors of this innovative plastic surgery hot topic devised an interesting experiment. They used 3D imaging technology to make heat maps demonstrating strain around the mouth, like here. Red indicates the greatest degree of stretch. First, they measured a young woman's facial movements. Not a lot of red means not a lot of strain. Then they measured someone that was a little older to see their facial movements. More red around the mouth translates to deeper folds and more visible wrinkles. Finally, they treated the older woman's marionette lines and nasolabial folds with these hyaluronic acid fillers. 42 days later, these plastic surgeons remeasured that digital heat map. What they saw was a greatly reduced strain and stress and stretch around the mouth. The older woman's heat maps now closely resembled those of the younger age group. Fascinating. This dynamic study shows that these dermal injections can restore lost facial plumpness, smoothness, and even facial expressiveness. So if you're interested in all of these new and innovative non-invasive cosmetic treatments like hyaluronic acid fillers, reach out to a board-certified plastic surgeon in your area today.